Hi everyone, I've been asked a question about question 16 this week, so I'll give you a little bit of a hint here. Okay, so in question 16 you have the molecule conosine and you've got to figure out which solvent that it is soluble in. So you've got propanoic acid, propanol, heptane and water. So what I've done here is I've drawn these bonds here out a little bit more so you can see them a little bit better. So the first thing you need to figure out is conosine polar or non-polar? So to figure out if it's non-polar or polar, the first thing you're going to want to do is look at the electronegativity differences between these bonds here. So if you look up in the data book, you'll find that the electronegativity of carbon is 2.5 and hydrogen is 2.2. So that's a small electronegativity difference between these two atoms. So we would, because that's less than 0.5, we would consider that to be a non-polar bond, okay? And because this molecule is completely surrounded by CH2s, we would consider that, because it's the same on the edge, we would consider that molecule to be non-polar. Okay, so this molecule is non-polar. Now, if we look at propanoic acid here, I've drawn the molecule out for you. You can see that there are quite a lot of CH bonds, but there's also C-double-O bonds and a COH bond as well. Okay, so these bonds are going to be similar to here. Okay, they're going to be non-polar, but these bonds are not non-polar here. Okay, so this is a polar molecule. So this solute conosine is non-polar, so it's not going to readily dissolve in propanoic acid. Okay, so the answer is not A. So what I want you guys to do is do the same for B, C and D and figure out which of these solvents is non-polar, and that will be the answer. Okay.